Our sleek pergola systems are now available on a self-fit DIY route, where we will advise on the best solution, confirm a price and deliver your pergola to you. We will also advise on how best to prepare your outdoor space prior to installation, along with a technical specification. We offer a variety of pergolas ranging from rotating louvered roofs to sliding patio covers. You have the option to have these freestanding in your garden or leaning to your property. In addition to the pergola, you can add on LED lighting, upgrade to RGB lighting, heating, motorised side screens, glass panels and integrated Bluetooth speakers. If you would like to inquire about a pergola to transform your outdoor space, then please visit our website at diy-pergolas.co.uk or call our office on 01202 679 012.